To connect your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G with your PC, first of all, you will need to get a USB cable that allows you to connect both your PC and your phone. In this case, I've already plugged in my PC with the standard USB port, and then a USB-C is gonna go to my phone right here. Keep in mind that it's the same cable connected to both the phone and PC. It is very important. Also, if this whole process won't work for you, that means that probably the cable doesn't support the file transfer if you're going for that. Now when your phone is connected with PC, swipe down from the top left corner of the screen and then click on USB for charging phone. That way you'll be able to pick option called transferring files / Android Auto. You'll need to unlock your phone, and that way you'll be able to transfer files with your PC. Now I will show you how to find your phone on your PC. So open the files on your PC simply by going into any folder that you like, and after that you can see your phone name, simply click on it, and then you should be able to find it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.